Now there is large variation in organisms. There are certain types of organisms which are present on this earth. They all are different. They are of different color, their size, the shape, everything is different. But one thing they have common in them is that they can live up to certain time period. Yes, they can live up to certain time period. There is a surety of their death. So the first term I'm starting with is the lifespan in this chapter, reproduction in organisms. So the first chapter. Now, what is lifespan? How lifespan is defined? So the time period of any organism from its birth to natural death is referred to as lifespan. Now, lifespan it is time period of an organism from birth to natural death is referred to as lifespan. Now, the lifespan is not matters, it doesn't matters in the lifespan, the size and complexity of any organism. Yes, lifespan is not correlated with the size and complexity of any organism. So we can say lifespan is not correlated with size and complexity of an organism. Yes. Now the lifespans are varied from organism to organism. There is a large variation in lifespans too. So now the parrot and crows are identically same in shape and their size, but there are huge difference in their lifespans. So parrot and crow, they are not so different in their size and their complexity. Crow, parrot. Now we talk about the lifespans of these both. So the crow has lifespan of only 15 years, but the parrot has a lifespan of 120. Yes, this variation is so large in both of these. If we talk about some trees, here's mango, and people, there is also large variation. Mango has a lifespan of approx 200 years, but people has 2500 years. Yes. So as you can see, the lifespans vary from an organism to organism. Now lifespan is as short as a single day, years, and as long as several thousand years. So we can say lifespan is as short and as long as, so as short as less than 1 day. Yes, this much short time period of any organism, and as long as several thousand years. Yes, as long as several thousand years. So, no matters how short and how long the lifespan of any organism is. Yes, no matters how thousand years or how many years any organisms can live. But there is a surety of his her death. Yes, there is a surety of death of any organism. So we can say that any individual is not a mortal. Yes, every organism, no individual is immortal. No individual is immortal. No individual is immortal. But can you cite some exception to this? Yes. Are there any exception? Yes. The answer is single-celled organisms, unicellular organisms. They are immortal. So exception to this is single-celled organisms. These are exception to this. These are exception. Now, if we talk about a production of any organisms, how organisms can produce on this earth. So, individuals or the presence of Any organisms is the reason behind the production of any organism. A new individual was produced from the existing one. And this process is simply known as reproduction. Now, if we talk about reproduction in unicellular organisms, what could we say? So, if we talk about unicellular organism, say this is parent cell. This is the parent cell. Now it grows. There the growth occurs in it, and its size will increase. For further growth, the size will not increase. Apart from this, it divides into two daughter cells. These are two daughter cells, and here growth is shown by. As you can see here, growth and reproduction in a unicellular organism is similar, it is synonym. So in unicellular organism, the growth is simple. Sorry, the reproduction is simple. The here the cell doesn't divide for its growth. It simply divides into two daughter nuclei, and these two daughter cells will act as an individual, and the parent cell will be diminished, will be dead. Now, if we talk about reproduction, there are basically two types. There's reproduction. There are basically two types of reproduction. First one is asexual, other one is sexual reproduction. As you have studied in previous classes, asexual reproduction contains only single parent. Yes, in sexual reproduction, there is involvement of only single parent. That's why they are also known as uniparental reproduction. It is uniparental reproduction. And in sexual one, there is an involvement of two different gender organisms. Yes, one male and one female. So there is involvement of two parents. That's why it is known as biparental reproduction. Now, in the next coming lecture, we further deal with the reproduction with sexual as well as asexual one. Thank you.